My father is an extremely healthy man, but this was not always so. Like any active person with an active lifestyle, he used to experience joint pains, aches, and inflammations. At that time, I would tease him about getting old, but then his condition started getting worse. I always believed that joint pains were a part of old age. You see, the bones of our joints are covered by a smooth, elastic surface called the cartilage, which cushions our bones so that our joints can move without pain. High-impact sports, muscle weakness, repetitive stress injuries, aging, and obesity can cause joints to wear out and weaken. But just when I thought that there was nothing we could do to replenish the cartilage in our joints and to ease the stiffness, I discovered Nutrilite Glucosamine Hydrochlorides. With Nutrilite Glucosamine Hydrochlorides, my father no longer suffers from stiff joints and pains. Nutrilite Glucosamine Hydrochlorides helps build, maintain, and nourish the cartilage between our joints. Glucosamine is one of the major building blocks for generating lubricants and shock-absorbing mechanisms necessary for promoting healthy joints. Therefore, Nutrilite Glucosamine Hydrochlorides helps to form and repair cartilage, reduce joint inflammation and swelling, increase joint mobility, relieve pain and osteoarthritis, and generate connective tissues with vitamin C. Nutrilite Glucosamine Hydrochlorides is ideal for the elderly, those suffering from joint injuries or obesity, and just about anyone with an active lifestyle. I trust in Nutrilite simply because it is the world's leading brand of vitamin, mineral, and dietary supplements. This multiple award-winning brand is also the only global vitamin and mineral brand to grow, harvest, and process plants on its own certified organic farms. Now what could be better than that? By combining the best of nature together with the best of science, Nutrilite is able to provide optimal health to you just the way nature intended. Now my whole family takes Nutrilite Glucosamine Hydrochloride so that we can enjoy freedom of movement at any age.